raceway track thingamajigger
Adams
drift
kart motorsport track raceway.
That one. All right. And today, like we said yesterday, we're gonna take Skylar around the track in Sean's 370Z. Skylar, what are you looking forward to, man? What's the one thing you want to do today?
Tandems.
You want to do tandems? All right.
Yeah.
Tandems?
You have courage.
That's a good answer.
All right.
That's a good answer.
I'm a terrible passenger. I'm like the worst, bro. I get scared. And to have like another car like right there next to me, I'd be like, no, I don't want to do that. This man just won $10,000.
Yes,
RX-7.
On top of the world.
He's got bigger balls than I do. I like this guy.
Yeah.
All right, let's go have fun.
What's up?
All right, winner of the RX-7 going for his first rip with Sean.
Let's go.
Dude, how sick is he? Such a good driver,
he's
right?
very sick. Like, he hits corners perfect.
Did you expect that much speed? To take the turns with that much speed? That's what threw me off the first time.
All right, you got R888s, no third pedal, and no handbrake. And you're gonna take it on the track and drift it.
This is probably gonna be like a $20,000 experience. Really stupid.
All right, good luck with that, man.
Thank you.
There's one goal for the day.
Try not to be this.
Don't do that. When you're in a drift car, that's actually the goal. That is the goal. You want to do that when you're in the drift car, but you don't want to do that when you're in your Mercedes AMG GTR Pro, right? I mean, honestly, it'd be good for the video though. The drone came in the window and smacked his helmet, dude.
No way! How sick was that? It was scary as fuck. All I heard was like, Zeke! And I was like, fuck, dude, look at it, you can see it.
That's so cool.
That shit,
I want to see the video of that. Oh, no way, a drone hit you?
I guarantee he has a video.
Oh, that's gonna be the coolest video ever.
Dude, that scared the shit out of me. I was like, what?
That is so awesome. Wow.
Is that Sean?
Oh my god.
Oh!
And then it crashed.
Dinked him right in the
You'll send this
helmet. Yeah, dude, I'll send it over.
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah.
Honestly, better than I was expecting with the setup you got. But let's be honest, you slide this thing all the time on the streets. Okay. Okay. Okay.
That's why I came off.
Yeah.
Was good. That was the best. That was best, yeah. We just hopped right in it.
Oh boy.
All right, Tammy, how you feeling?
I'm feeling scared.
Have you ever been in a drift car?
No.
No, I didn't think so.
No.
Skylar, you just went. How was it? Let her know.
Amazing.
Does she have anything to be scared of?
No.
No, you hesitated too long. You.
I mean, she might be scared, but for me, nothing was scary.
That was
She gets scared
perfect.
going
That was
down the
perfect.
interstate.
Do you have anything to be scared of? You have nothing to be scared of. You're gonna be fine. We got the duo going. You're going out too in Mark's car. This is gonna be fun. All right, let's get it. All right, be careful with her, but not too careful. You got me? Gone.
Oh, yeah.
Her sons have gone, and now it's time for Papa Bear to go. Finally in the drift car. I was thinking about it yesterday, and you didn't even get a chance to ride in the RX-7, huh?
No, I did not.
We got all of them a ride, and I was all caught up in the moment. How rude of me, man! But now we're making it up for it. We're making up for it.
The family has a good time.
We got a fresh pair of tires on there. We're ready to rip. All right, let's go.
thinking what they're gonna do next and
Just
trying to
reading
predict it, you know, kind of surge in on them.
Hey guys, that's the Ruckus Company experience. If you win one of our cars, you don't just get the car, you don't just get the cash, you get a full experience at the track with all the friends. It's a good time, guys. I'm happy we're able to do this for them. It's really cool to see them experience drift cars and things like this that we're used to, but that they've never really been around this. They've never done anything like this. All right, guys, the time has finally come for the fun to end. The Saunders family has to take off, catch their flight.
Yep.
So glad we were able to make up for the rain, get out here on a sunny day. Everything worked out amazingly, honestly.
It did, perfect.
You had a good time?
Yep.
Skylar, how was it?
amazing.
What do you think of drifting now?
I want to do it more.
You want to do it more?
I want to do it more, and I actually want to drive and drift now. So.
Well, you have the perfect drift car now.
Well, congrats on the car
Yeah,
again.
thank you very much.
I know, like today's the focus was
It's
on the track,
crazy.
but don't forget about your car.
I think we'll wrap it up. I'm gonna head out. Johnny, pleasure as always. Expect
always.
to see a lot more of Johnny on the channel. He's gonna, be my co-host now.
Co-host?
Co-host.
I like it.
Yeah,
That's
why
the
I
title?
made you pick up. Yeah,
It's
co-host.
official.
It's official. That's why I
I
made
like
you
it.
pick up the camera today.
All right, let's go. Do you tell them to like, comment, subscribe, and all that, or you just let them make their own mind
This
up?
is why he makes a good co-host.
Yeah?
Because I always forget. Say it, John.
So, like, comment, subscribe. Don't zoom in on this, dude. What the fuck
Here,
are you?
let me get it from this angle.
Right.
We're gonna build a drift car for the channel.
Yes.
Let us know what car you guys want us to start off with. Any car.
Do you
guys
want us to
decide.
build a 370Z, a 370Z, or would you rather us build a 370Z? Let us know in the comments below.
Or like an E36 would be dope as well.
Or a 370Z.
You really want the 370?
The only reason why, here's why.
Yeah.
Hear me out. Because Mark, right over there,
Yeah.
already knows how to set up a 370Z money. You just saw it. You rode in Sean's 370Z.
Very awesome.
So why not go with something that's tried? It's proven.
Okay, fine.
Why not build a 370Z?
All right, guys. So
So if you build a
E36.
hey, if you build a
We're gonna do
370Z,
yeah.
I can get it done in a week.
In a week? All right, I love that. All right, 370Z it is.
Yeah. So comment below 370Z, or would you rather see a 370Z on the channel? I don't know.
Okay, comment below what color 370Z you guys want to
color?
White or black? Do we have options or is it just black? All right, guys.
So, for the 3 people that watched this 4-hour-long outro, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.